Morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, communicating from Biafra in West Africa. Today is Saturday, the 10th day of September 2022. Every week, I give you technical analysis on the markets, forex, indices, cryptos, and many more. Okay, last week was so good. Most of our trades were fantastic. In fact, about 90% of our trades went positive. Okay, if this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe, like, make comments, and share. You are free to share with your friends. Secondly, we have students class where we teach those who want to learn. Okay, as usual, I'm starting with DXY. DXY, this is daily chart. All this area is our reversal zone. The reversal must have occurred, or it can turn back. It can still make some move and go back and go deeper. So the reversal, the buying can still go to 112, 113, 114. Then it might have ended here. You can see it is going down already. So have that in mind. Now let's go to 4 hours where we have our business to do. You can see 4 hours. When price comes to this level, then how we know whether we are going back up or we are going down. Okay, so as I say always, I don't like being ahead of the market. I follow it sequentially. So what are we expecting? A little push up, then down. At least DSY will come to 107. 107 area is what I'm expecting. It can be deeper than that, but at least I'm expecting 107 area. What I'm trying to say, this time around, it's not time to buy. Only look for sell setup. If you don't know what setup is, maybe you need to join the students so that you know what sell setup and buy setup is, because that shows the key for successful trading. Okay, now let's go to USD. 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 Remember, as I say always, USD is always opposite of DXY. So sometimes the structure can differ, but it doesn't matter. USD, we expect a little push down and then up again. After that, I will update you. I will let you know whether we are going down to make a new low or we are making correction and another move up. So for now, focus on buying. Look for buy setup. USD card. USD card is the next. What do we have there? Last week I told you that look for sell setup. Sell setup occurred here. It's now dropping. If you miss this drop, it means you don't know what is sell setup. Join the class, learn, and start making profits consistently. So if you have lost, if you didn't catch this very move, another one is loading. You will likely have something like this again. So what I'm trying to say, not time to buy. My ultimate target is this level. That is, but now let's focus on somewhere here. Okay, maybe after that we may get something like this and drop again. But for now, focus on the next selling. USDCHF, USDCHF. Remember last week I told you something about on USDCHF. I told you last week. I said don't ignore this. Do you remember? I said don't ignore this. Whenever you see this type of, don't ignore this. I said it. There are things you don't ignore. If you know about candlestick technical chart, you can see it's dropped. It dropped, and it seems as if it went hold. It just make a little move up and keep going down. I know this will happen. I have seen the signs. First, this very two pin bars. Don't mind this very move up. Okay, but if you miss this, same thing, you don't know what setup is. You need to learn. Now, what next? I'm expecting a towards this level and another drop. If you miss this one, don't miss this. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. What are we looking for here? Now, there is a big question on pounds USD. Have we bottomed? And we say the selling is over. As long as this daily chart is concerned, the selling can be said to be over when price goes above 1.23. That is for daily chart. For 4 hours, we can say that selling is over when price goes above this level. Okay, so in any case, I can only tell you I'm buying for now. I don't see reason to sell. I don't see reason to sell. If the price will still go down, I will ignore it. I'm only looking for buy setup, which I bought from here during the week. But my buy setup is still open, but is now on break even. Even if the price goes down, I won't bother because I won't lose any money. But I'm biased to the upside. That's my own view. That's what I see. You may see, if you see something different, you may start to do what you have to do. I'm only analyzing and showing you what I'm doing. AUDUSD. I'm looking for buy again. The structure, for weeks ago, I told you that this is our target. It dropped to our reversal zone and is now going up. So I have no reason to sell anymore, unless you are a scalper. A scalper who is trading on 15 minutes can have a reason to sell. For instance, on this chart, it's obvious we will get something like this. It's obvious we get a move like this before this. So, but I'm not interested in lower time frame like 15 minutes. Sometimes itself, but if you can count this, you can see we have impulse. That is 1. Then the correction. All this is correction. Then here is 2. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3. This is A. This is maybe B. Then we get C. Then it will buy. and after that, it will give us A, B, C before buying. So all this may happen in a day, in 4 hours, in 8 hours. So my trade, I'm a swing trader. I don't trade short time trade. So what I'm showing you this. If you are a short time trader, you can still have a reason to sell. But for me, I'm only looking for a reason to buy. I show you this to tell that I know that some people trade with 5 minutes, even 3 minutes. So, but what matters at the end of the day, are you making profit? If you're making profit, fine. If not, change the way you trade. So 20, 15 minutes can be good if you have the time. I don't have such time, but I know we are getting 1, 2, 3, ABC, 4, 5. After that, ABC, then the buying will continue. So that's why I'm not trying to sell, because any sell you see will be a little move. To compare, the real deal is on bigger time frame, because selling will give you 30 pips, 20 pips, 40 pips, but buying will give you 200, 300, 500 pips. That's why I focus on bigger time frame. Okay. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, the same thing. No need to waste time, because they are doing the same thing. You can see it's breaking the channel. I showed this to those my subscribers on Telegram channel saw this. I made the bot from here. You can also join our Telegram channel. It's free. You only pay when you want. You only pay when you want to learn. Then you join the class. So I shared this that it will go up, and it went up. It will also go up again. Now, why you will join our Telegram channel is that during the week I share updates. You know, I can't be making videos every day. So try, the links are always in the bio. You will see it. You click the links. Many links are there. Links for my Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, cryptocurrency channels like Binance, Okex, Coinex. Many of them, you click the link and open the for cryptos and other things. Okay, so let's move JP225. JP225, what do we have here? Okay. You know, I want to remind you again, I said the possibility of giving us a new low cannot be ruled out. The possibility of giving us a new low cannot be ruled out. But for now, we focus on the next. Now, to me, what we have here is A, B, C. So why am I showing you this? If price continues to go up, I will not buy. If you are, last week I told you the market will do something like this and go up. So if you didn't buy when this channel is broken, it's late already. Okay. I saw the setup and I bought. So if you didn't buy, watch for setup around this level for selling, because I can see we are getting A, B, C. After that, we know whether we will get this or we will get this. So for now, too early to predict. Let's see what happens here first. If we get sales setup, we sell. If it continue to go up, I will continue to look for sales setup, because buying happened here. Buying from here is already too late. So you must know what to expect in the market. Then you look for a way to benefit. EURJPY. EURJPY. The buying is so strong, and it's making 5 waves. You can see 1, A, B, C, 2, then 3. We're gonna get A, B, C as 4. So how low will the fall be? I don't know, but I know that the fall will not go below this level. My target is between these box. That is 142.6 to 141.7. That's where I target my way for. Then after that, the buying continues. That's my view. Okay, next is USDJPY. Similar thing, a drop to give us before and a buy. So nothing to explain here. USDJPY, I try to give us before and continue buying. Pounds JPY, what do we have here? The same thing is happening here. We're looking for the price to drop. USDPY and USDPY are easier to trade than this. Okay, so now let me show you something on daily on this one. On daily, we might get this structure. You might get this structure. Okay, then this can be the B, a big B, then the C. So this can happen because of the structure it is printing. But for now, we focus on what is ahead. We focus on what is ahead, and what is that? Simple. We're looking for a way to sell. If I get this type of move, I will sell. If I don't get this type of move, if it keeps going down, I won't sell because I'm expecting a reversal to occur here. So I'd rather wait for it to. I'd rather wait to buy than selling from this low. So not a good trade because if you enter sell from this low, the target will not be much. Yet here is a stop loss. But if I get an A, B, that is A, B, C, then stop loss here, enter here, I sell and target this level before buying. So setup need to have a big reward ratio before you think of buying or selling. Let's go to gold. Gold, what do we have on gold? Let's go to daily. Anything on daily. The question on gold is, and there's no question. Gold have not done selling. From my own calculation, from my own analysis, gold have not done selling. So gold is either gold will stop selling at this level or at this level. So to me, gold will still go below 1700. Gold will still go below 1700. So maybe 17, so yes, 1670, 1650, I don't know, but gold is still selling. That's my own view. That's my bias. That's what I see. So now you can now see the 1 hour chart. This is our reversal zone. It reversed from this level. How am I going to say? I have entered sell on gold because why? I have opened enough position. You know, risk management is important in trading. You don't overtrade. If you overtrade and something happens, you might be right. You might be you might do the right thing on trading. Maybe some news came out and under 1 hour you may lose your account. So don't. This is an advice. Don't engage more than 10% of your capital in a trade. I mean, let not the open position you have exceed more than 10% of your capital at a go. Maybe you have 5 open positions, and you risk 2% each. Is enough. If you see another position, if you see another opportunity, leave it, because something can happen. Everything will turn around, and you lose your account. So trade to preserve your account. So if gold give me A, B, C, then I will sell from here. Okay. Having said that, silver and gold, I think they are doing something. Let's see silver. They always go together. Silver and gold. Let's go to daily. There's something, maybe I've said it before, that sometimes gold will be going up, and silver will be going sideways. Sometimes silver will be going sideways, and gold will be going up or going down. Now, daily chart, from my own calculation, silver have completed the move. Now, if gold, for instance, I don't think silver will make a new low. I mean, going below 17.669 now. But gold, I'm expecting a new low on gold. So now, what will happen? Maybe gold will be, I have said this before, gold might be doing something like this, and silver will be doing something like this. Then before you know it, both of them will begin to go up. So in such a, if this is the case, it means silver might be doing something like this to do this, and gold will be doing something like this to make a new low. And then before you know what's happening, both will be going up. So this is the little lesson I want to let you know, that they go together doesn't mean that they must do the same thing. No, they might not do the same thing, but they might be going together. Maybe 90% of the time they go together, or 80% of the time they go together. But in every major move, they tend to go together. Okay. So what next? Platinum. Platinum. What do we have? Platinum also seems to have completed the selling on daily time frame. So platinum and silver might be going up, and gold will be going. Sorry, platinum and silver might be correcting or going sideways, while gold will be selling. So now let me just go to 1 hour to show you, if you are trading this, if you are trading platinum, in my own view, it might support on this trend line and go up again, unless I see a sharp move, maybe something like this. But then we may get something like this before going up. But for now, I don't think it will break this channel, because the buying is strong. Okay, so let's keep watching. What next? US oil. US oil. Last week and last 2 weeks, I told you, when oil was going up, I told you that oil have not finished the selling. I think this is where I told you that oil might end at this channel and begin to go down. And it happened exactly what I said, because I have read the chart. So now, and I told you that oil will make a new low. Check the video, you will confirm. I told you oil will likely make a new low. So this is the new low I'm talking about. What I won't say now is, will it still go deeper? You know, this is, all this area is the turning zone. Can it go lower again and make a new low again? I think if that will happen, first of all, we might get some move towards this channel again. Then it will not happen. But if the buying keeps going strong, break this, maybe make correction and go up, then forget that. Then here is the bottom. No, but I know I told you gold is going down to 84, 83, 82 again. It even went below 82, almost maybe 81. So that's the power of Elliott Wave, or maybe let me say wave analysis. That's the power of knowledge. This knowledge I will teach you with little money. Instead of trading and losing money on your own, why not enroll in my class? Now that I charge very, very cheap. My cost is very cheap because why? Anyway, I won't tell you why. But my cost is very cheap. If you're following my analysis, you know that if you have such knowledge, you are good to go. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. What do we have on NASDAQ? Just as I told you last week, that NASDAQ will give us 3 waves down, and that the possibility of giving us a new low is here. Let me show you daily. The possibility of giving us a new low cannot be ruled out. Okay, so this is not ruled out, but let's follow it with time. So let's go back to 4 hours. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. A kind of ABC. It can go deeper. So, but the bottom line is this: the next trade, the next major trade is selling. Remember when this happened, I told you we are going lower. So the major trade is this low. You can buy now, going down to 1 hour. If I get a good, I will also buy. If I get a good drop, something like this, then I will buy and take it here. But if the dropping is shallow, I will ignore it, because this is where I'm supposed to buy, but I have enough open position when this happens. So I don't overtrade, and it's never advised to overtrade. If you overtrade, you may be lucky and make much money, but one day when unexpected happened, your account will bleed, maybe lead to death, or maybe enter into coma, or maybe experience ICU needs. Okay. Now this is okay. Let me give you as a bonus, but they are doing the same thing. No need. Just NASDAQ, S&P 500, US 30, same. Expect a sell around here. US 30, the same thing. Expect it to give us something like this. A little move down, buy, then a bigger one. So they are doing something. So that's why I don't show you all of them. So now, what next? Where do cryptos? Okay, let me do cryptos separately. So that's the end of our video today. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, ask the questions, join our Telegram channels, and so on. If you want to learn, you will contact me. My numbers are there. So thank you for watching, and God bless you.